Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to locate your Bitcoin wallet in Binance. Let's start. So you can actually do this through Binance app on your smartphones, and you can also access Binance.com through your desktop. So sometimes, especially for people who are still new in cryptocurrency, they don't know how to get or locate their Bitcoin wallet. And today I'm going to show you how. So what I do is I go to wallet, and depending where you deposited or store your Bitcoin, in my case, I am storing them in my funding wallet. So I will just go to this page. As you could see, so I'll give you, just like a reminder every time you're having trouble on locating your wallet. Just think of, deposit. So you can either do this, or in this case, I just want to be specific with Bitcoin wallet. So toggle your mouse over here, hit on deposit, and then it will lead you to this page. So in this case, of course, we're going to check Bitcoin wallet. So coin is defaulted to Bitcoin. Now for network, for Bitcoin, guys, you always choose Bitcoin network, and then the system would automatically populate or auto-populate, the information that we have for Bitcoin. And this is pretty much your Bitcoin wallet. Now, you can either do this by having to scan the QR code. You can actually send this one to your friend who's going to give you Bitcoin, or you can just simply copy this one like here. So back then when I don't know about this one, I normally just, do it like that. But this is the easiest way. Just click and then you can send that. So once the sender would be getting this, they will just transfer the Bitcoin from their wallet and then just do this one. And then, you'll be able to receive it. And then that's it for today. I hope you learn how to locate your Bitcoin wallet. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.